Hi, I'm Dan from Fully Charged, and today we're looking at the best of folding bikes for 2026. Folding electric bikes have become the modern staple of convenience, blending portability with performance. They are a top pick for urban commuters and adventure seekers for their ability to compact down and travel anywhere with ease. We've spent years testing folding bikes, focusing on foldability, weight, range, and everyday usability. After years of testing, we found a sweet spot with these incredible 4 options. And our pick for top folding e-bikes for 2026 are the Brompton G Line. With up to 45 miles range, the 20-inch wheeled Brompton G Line, in our opinion, is the best folding e-bike yet from the iconic British brand. The Tern Vektron P5i. This folding Tern with Bosch Smart System, combined with Gates carbon belt drive, 54 miles of range and adjustability to fit riders from 4'5" to 6'9", is an undeniable workhorse. The Yuto Afternoon Pro 20. One of the most compelling value folding e-bikes on the market, with 43 miles of range and a strong factory spec. It's stylish, clean, practical, silent and extremely low maintenance. The Gocycle G5, one of the most highly anticipated folding e-bike launches of the last 10 years. We have ridden the pre-production prototype and are excited for the launch later this year. Go and check out our YouTube video to delve into the innovative changes. Rather than ranking or comparing the models, this video will cover the 7 biggest reasons as to why someone may choose an electric folding bike. Reason 1. Storage and space. Many riders choose folding e-bikes because they need something that fits into small spaces. From both city living and adventuring, whether you live in an apartment, work in an office, or are looking for a runaround from your motorhome or boat, folding e-bikes are the answer to the problem. All of the models shown today are designed to tuck neatly into hallways, cupboards, under the desk or in lockers. The real benefit is how they disappear when you are not riding them. Reason 2. Mixed mode commuting. Whether you've moved to the suburbs or want to jump on the train to miss that rain shower, a folding electric bike could be for you. Whether it's a compact fold, an easy carry, or a fast transition from pavement to platform, a folding bike is an excellent solution. London have recently banned full-size electric bikes from their transport network, making folding electric bikes a smarter choice. Reason 3. Weight and portability. Weight is a key factor, especially when climbing the stairs, loading the folding bike into a car, or navigating a busy train station. Modern folding e-bikes are becoming lighter and better balanced, which makes them easier to handle off the bike. Whether you're carrying it or rolling it beside you, portability is one of the defining advantages of the category. Reason 4. Flexibility and adaptability. Folding e-bikes are not just about portability, they're about flexibility. Many riders want a bike that can adapt to weekday commuting, weekend exploring, or even sharing the bike with a partner. The models we have reviewed offer adjustable cockpits, comfortable ride positions, and practical everyday features that make them suitable for a wide range of riders and journeys. Reason 5. Low maintenance and reliability. Reliability is a major consideration for commuting and daily use. A large number of modern folding e-bikes use low maintenance drive chains, enclosed gearing systems, and durable components that perform well in demanding real-world conditions. Whether you are riding in the rain, storing the bike indoors, or using it every day, ease of ownership is a strong reason riders choose folders. Reason 6. Ride quality and comfort. Even though folding e-bikes are compact, they can still deliver a confident and enjoyable ride. From stable geometry to smooth power delivery, each of the models in this lineup contributes something to overall comfort and ease of riding. For many people, the biggest surprise is how refined a well-designed folding e-bike can feel on the road. Reason 7. Security. With a take it anywhere folding electric bike, you no longer need to worry about locking and leaving outside. Simply keep your trusty steed with you wherever you go. Folding e-bikes can be stowed under desks in offices, under tables in coffee shops, and in restaurants, and safely stored inside your home overnight. These 7 reasons are at the heart of why riders choose electric folding bikes. The bikes shown today all support these reasons in different ways. Some are for a smaller fold, some offer enhanced comfort, and all are varied in their technology. However, all of these are practical choices depending on the lifestyle that you're buying for. If you'd like to explore any of these models in more detail, we've produced individual specific videos on our YouTube channel. You can also book a test ride at any of our UK stores based in London Bridge, Silverstone, Cornwall, Guildford, New Forest and Brighton. Our team can help you compare the models and find which fits best your routine and your rider preferences. We also offer cycle scheme and 0% finance to make the buying option easier. We'd love to know what matters most to you when it comes to folding e-bikes. Please leave your thoughts in the comments. If you've liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and we'll see you in the next one.